Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to learn how to download the Emirates Airline app on your smartphone. If you are planning your next trip, having the Emirates app on your phone can enhance the ease of your flight bookings and your travel experience. So let's dive right in. First of all, unlock your phone and find the App Store if you're using an iPhone or the Google Play Store if you're using an Android device. In my case, I'm using an Android phone, so I'll go and open my Google Play Store. Once you're in the store, use the search bar at the top of the screen and type in Emirates and search for it. You will see the Emirates app appear in the search results. Look for the official app. It should have the Emirates logo. Tap on it to open the app page. You'll find an install button if you're using an Android device or get button if you're using an iPhone. Tap on it to start downloading the app. The download process might take a few moments depending on your internet connection speed. Once the download is complete, now you can see the open button. You can directly launch the app from here by clicking on the open button. It is asking me to choose my country and language. You can choose accordingly. I will just randomly choose for now. You click on confirm. It is asking me if I want to turn on the notifications, so I'll click not now for now. And this is the home page of the app. You can see Skywards at the bottom right hand side of your screen. Tap on it. Now you can sign up for a new account by clicking on join Skywards or log in if you are an existing user. And there you go, you've successfully downloaded the Emirates app on your device. Now take some time to explore its features. You can book flights, manage your bookings, check in online, and even access exclusive offers. So happy travels! If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.